Empowerment meditation is a transformative practice that combines mindfulness, visualization, and positive affirmations to cultivate a mindset of financial independence and entrepreneurial empowerment. This meditation aims to tap into the inner entrepreneur within you, fostering a sense of abundance and self-belief. Process. Preparation. Find a quiet and comfortable space for meditation. Set an intention for this session, focusing on financial empowerment and embracing your inner entrepreneur. Breath awareness. Begin with deep, mindful breaths to center yourself and calm the mind. Inhale positivity and exhale any financial concerns or self-doubt. Grounding exercise. Visualize roots extending from your body into the earth, grounding you in stability and strength. Feel a sense of security and support from the earth beneath you. Inner entrepreneur visualization. Envision a powerful and confident version of yourself, the inner entrepreneur. See this version making strategic decisions, taking bold actions, and achieving financial goals. Abundance affirmations. Repeat affirmations related to financial abundance and entrepreneurship. Examples: I am a magnet for financial success, or my entrepreneurial spirit leads me to prosperity. Vision board reflection. Mentally create a vision board filled with images of your financial goals and entrepreneurial aspirations. Visualize these images manifesting in your life. Business success visualization. Imagine the success of your envisioned business or financial endeavors. Picture yourself enjoying the fruits of your hard work and entrepreneurial spirit. Gratitude practice. Express gratitude for the financial abundance that is on its way. Thank the universe for the opportunities and resources that will support your entrepreneurial journey. Future self connection. Connect with your future self who has achieved financial independence. Seek guidance and wisdom from this empowered version of yourself. Closing and affirmation. Gradually bring your awareness back to the present moment. Affirm your commitment to embracing your inner entrepreneur and achieving financial independence. Benefits. Mindset shift. Develop a positive and empowered mindset towards finances and entrepreneurship. Increased confidence. Boost confidence in your ability to pursue and achieve financial goals. Clarity of goals. Gain clarity on your financial aspirations and entrepreneurial endeavors. Stress reduction. Alleviate stress associated with financial worries by fostering a sense of empowerment. Motivation and focus. Enhance motivation and focus on taking proactive steps towards financial independence. Conclusion. The empowerment meditation for financial independence serves as a powerful tool to align your mindset with prosperity, helping you embrace the entrepreneurial spirit within and paving the way for financial success. Regular practice can lead to a transformative shift in your approach to finances and entrepreneurship.